Hi Manjeet, this is Alexi. I hope you can hear my voice. I'm outside. I have a little baby bird. And we're trying, ho, 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 girl, ho, ho. Ow, 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 Calm down. This is a baby bird. Don't know if you can see that very well. My cameraman doesn't know how. Ho, 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 ho. Calm down. Calm down. So we'll just get up here closer. Easy, girl. I don't want you to fly off with this like that, because you'll never get your leg back.
Good job, Alexi.
I may have to get some good scissors, for one. So I hope this works. She's farming. Wood. Make a deal, if I save this wood, I can't eat any of the worms in my main garden.
No, she's gonna bring Manjeet here.
Oh, that's right. You have to fly to India.
Yeah.
She's gonna fly to India, and it's very hard to do with one hand. Hold still. Hold still, girl. Piece of shit scissors. Okay, you're almost free. Just a minute. Ho, 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 ho. You're worse than Roshni.
Wow, what a beautiful job you did.
So, there's a little bird. She still wants to bite me. And say hi. Want to show yourself how pretty you are? Hold on. Say hi to Manjeet. So, everyday life. One bird. I'm going to let her go away. Here.
Beautiful job. Alexi.
So that's the end of that bird.
Could I have the ostricher? I want to make some yogurt shake.